Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something that we haven't done before because I've always had roommates, so I've never been able to do it, but my roommate moved out! Woo! So today we're going to be doing a little cooking with Seattle. I wanted to do this for so long, but I've had roommates since I turned 18, so I haven't ever had the opportunity. So this is really exciting actually. We're going to be cooking creamy garlic pasta. I've never made this before, but I saw the recipe on Instagram the other day and I was like, that looks fucking bomb. So we're gonna make that, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys about everything that's happening in my life because it has been absolutely crazy. So I wanna fill you guys in a little bit on what's been going on with me. So to make this pasta, it's pretty simple ingredients. So you're just gonna need butter, garlic, mozzarella, parsley, tomato paste, pepper, onions, fresh red pepper, garlic salt, some real salt, and of course the main event, noodles. I don't know where to put this. Bah. I feel like we need it. It's definitely dark. Fact. Okay, so first we're gonna cut up the onion just so we have it cut up so that when we start making everything, it's already done. So my roommate stole my things before she moved out, so we are going to use a plate to cut things on. So while we cut this onion, I think this is a fun time to tell you guys that I am actually not smoking weed really anymore. Personally for me, it has had a pretty negative effect recently, and I don't know if it's just because I'm so used to it that it started doing this, but I've only been smoking socially all year this year, so we're 3 weeks in, hopefully. We'll keep it going. My goal is to only smoke socially or if I need help sleeping or eating this year. Because I've noticed like ever since I did quit, like when I do smoke, it actually helps the things that I started smoking for. If you smoke a lot and you struggle with like the same thing, like you have like problems eating and like getting an appetite and stuff, I highly support at least taking a tolerance break. Just because I think it's very, very helpful and it's done a lot for me. It always happens to me. Can we just play the beats? Practically all the names, yeah. And you know, I'll be thinking about it. This is a cool trick that my grandpa taught me. So when you cut an onion, he taught me that you always cut off the little stringy things, and then underneath this little stringy things is the gas pocket. So like right here, you see that little thing right there? That's the thing that makes you fucking cry. You take that off or you avoid it completely and then you won't cry while you're cutting an onion. Helps to cut along the lines so you follow the lines of the onion and that'll help you not cry too. Fun facts from an Italian man. I'm gonna use this guy and then I'm gonna get my pasta water boiling. Another really exciting thing happened to me. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think I might go through with it because it sounds like a really cool opportunity, but Seattle was offered her very first record label. Like literally saying those words is so surreal to me. I've been making music since I was 6 years old, so I have like a bucket list of things that I've always wanted to happen. Pause. You put salt in your pasta water. If you don't put salt in your pasta water before you boil it, you're a demon and you need to do better. You know? This record label is really cool. It's out of Nashville, which is one of the biggest music cities in the United States. They get 3 of your songs on the radio. You get a billboard in Nashville. There's a manager that would help me set up my tour after I drop my album. Hold up. And then they would give me movie offers, like 8 million things, basically. It's like an actual record label, and they asked for me. So, regardless of whether or not I sign with them, the fact that people are noticing my music and my social media and everything enough for me to get that kind of opportunity is just absolutely bonkers. So we're gonna take butter and put it in the pan. I would say like 2 tablespoons or like a tablespoon and a half is what I'm gonna do. Sizzle sazzle, you know? You put in the onions. After you put the onions in, you're gonna put the garlic into So we're just gonna put a bunch of blobs. I put like a tablespoon of garlic. I'm gonna do one more just to be safe. It's called creamy garlic pasta. And then after that, you put in your seasoning. So I'm gonna put in some salt. Put in a little bit of garlic salt. Put in a little bit of red pepper just because I really like things spicy. So just a little bit. I'm gonna put some pepper in here too. Pepper is actually really good for your heart, so I like to use a lot of pepper when I cook. And you just saute this until it gets a little golden. This week I thought that my car was stolen. It turns out that during my wisdom teeth, it was just lost. I don't really know what happened, but I was like out on my amnesia, and either I parked it or one of my friends or someone parked it in the parking garage, and I did not find it until after I reported it to the police. So the police already were reported. I was already in a rental car for 3 days, and then I parked my rental car in the parking garage just so I didn't have to walk so far for my groceries. Found my car. You know what I just realized? My roommate stole my can opener and I had to open this. My insurance is crazy because I got in a car accident in October. So I think I'm gonna try to sell my car and live remotely. And then I can kind of live everywhere, which is a dream because I love traveling and I hate staying in one spot. I'm probably gonna be living remotely by this fall. And if anyone wants a Volkswagen, let me know. So we're gonna put all the tomato paste in here because I got a pretty small jar. So that'll make our sauce. I'm gonna turn down the heat just so I don't burn anything. Okay, so after the tomato paste, you're gonna put in your whipping cream or milk. Do a little bit, see how that goes. On the phone, this one. Alright, so now we're gonna add a good chunk of mozzarella. Alright, now we're gonna stir it all up, get that cheese all melted. Yeah, look at that. We love to see it. What? Let's see how this went. I've outdone myself. I have really small hands, so this much pasta about is what I'm gonna make. Something crazy I do because I like all my pasta noodles to boil evenly is I break them in half just so that they'll fit in the pot that they're going into. Gordon Ramsay would probably yell at me, but it works for me. I like to break the rules before I eat dinner and have dessert. Because I'm rebellious and we weren't allowed to do that as kids, so. My album will be dropping this summer, for sure. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I have been working on this album since I was 16. It's like very surreal to me that it's gonna be coming out and that you guys are gonna be seeing it, and I hope that you love every single song on it and that I get to perform it to you guys. I'm so excited. I'm working with 3 other like very talented individuals. Working with Brandon Roach on guitar, and he is probably one of the best guitarists I have ever like met in my life. Along with that, my drummer, his name is Jackson. He just graduated high school and he's in college. He is absolutely immaculate at the drums. Producer is also super young. We're all very young. And he actually plays like every single instrument, which is amazing. Wizard at producing, so he knows what he's doing. And everything that I've made with him has came out exactly how I wanted to. Just like this motherfucking pasta. Oh, I forgot, we're gonna put some pasta water in the sauce. Like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm so proud of myself right now. Away from a planet, we don't speak the same language. This is indication. So I think the pasta is about done, so we're gonna drain it and then put it in the sauce. First cooking video has almost costed me my ring light. This looks so good. Like, I am so freaking excited right now. What? It's really cool having like a good relationship with food again because I haven't in so freaking long. So this is where I'm gonna put some parsley on top. All right, so this is the creamy garlic pasta. Literally looks so delicious. I'm so excited to shove this in my face. I have outdone myself. I'm so proud of myself. So everyone needs to try this because it was insanely easy to make, and it is absolutely delicious. I've been like aggressively clingy to him lately just because you're middle-aged. Yeah, he's gonna be 6 this summer, so I don't really know what I would do without Pablo, but I'm really not looking forward to finding out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment below if you want to have more Cooking with Seattle videos. Bye. Have a good week. I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me. You're the best.